Let's create an automation that is going to manage our invoices. It's going to send invoices to customers, keep track of whether or not the customers return the invoices, send them reminders, etc. We are going to do this in 15 minutes. I did a video the other day about similar solution, which is an uptime monitor for websites. Basically, it goes to a list of websites, it finds out whether or not they are live or not, and then it updates the owner of the website. In my case, these are the emails, whether or not the website is live or not. And here is the logging system. I enjoyed this concept of a video in which I just give myself 15 minutes to build and execute the whole thing. Let's see how it goes. Let's start out the timer. Let's get going. Can you help me build a Google Apps script that will take a spreadsheet with a list of emails and invoices, and basically it will handle my invoices. What it will do, it will send reminders to customers about their invoices via email, and it will also make sure that they pay the invoice. If they don't, it's going to send frequent reminders. I want to have also a Boolean column which tells me with true or false whether or not it was paid or not. Please propose the idea before starting to actually write the code. Furthermore, ask me any questions you would like me to clarify. Let's think about the idea before we start building. Let's see what it does. Okay, I help you design an invoice reminder system using Google Apps Script. Let me break down what I understand you want and then ask some clarifying questions to ensure we build exactly what you need. Core requirements: read from a spreadsheet containing email address, invoice information, payment status with a Boolean, automated email functionality, initial invoice reminders, follow-up reminders for unpaid invoices, payment tracking. Key questions for clarification: spreadsheet structure. What other columns do we need besides the email and payments, e.g. invoice amount, due date? Would you like to set a separate column for the last reminder date? When should the first reminder be sent? How frequently should follow-up reminders be sent for unpaid invoices? Should there be a maximum number of reminders? Email content. Would you like customizable email templates? Should the email include the invoice details amount? Do you need different message templates for initial reminders versus follow-ups? Payment tracking. How will the payment status be updated manually in a spreadsheet or through automated system? Would you like logging system to track the reminders? Okay, so I'm going to tell it. Let's just answer. Great questions. You build this in the most detailed manner that you can think of. Make it very detailed and comprehensive. Introduce the logs, write all the emails, etc. The only thing that I want you to know is I will track the payments manually for the time being. So based on what I told you, please write the game plan without writing the code. Let's see what it does. I'll outline a comprehensive game plan for your invoice and management system. Since you track payments manually, I'll design it with easy manual intervention in mind while automating everything else. System architecture: spreadsheet structure, multiple sheets, main invoice sheet, which will contain invoice number, customer email, customer name, invoice amount, due date, etc. Log sheet, email template sheet, configuration sheet, daily check process, updates log for all actions, email reminder system, email templates. Ideally I would go over everything, but we are running out of time. 11 minutes left. It's very comprehensive. Might be an overkill for 15 minutes. Implementation phase. So set up basic spreadsheet structure, create core email templates, Phase 2, add logging system. Okay, let's just get going. Awesome, let's get going. I want you to write the code for me that I will just need to paste it in Google Apps Script. Also write the code to generate the actual spreadsheet. So let's start step by step with generating the code. Each time you generate code, tell me exactly which phases are we covering. Don't cover more than one phase in each iteration. I don't care that we have like typos here, by the way. It might be wrong, but we don't have time for this. Okay, let's start with phase 1. Phase 1, setting up the basic spreadsheet structure. In a moment, let's create a new spreadsheet. Let's close this one. It's creating the spreadsheet. This is the code, by the way, that I need to paste here. Let's copy the code. Let's paste it here. Save. Run. Ten minutes left. I'm starting to have second thoughts, but review settings. This is one thing that you need to do for the first time when you're running a new project. Just need to approve this. Okay, this project requires access to your Google account to run. Let's do this again. Review permissions. Let's allow. Okay. Let's see if it does this. I don't see any updates here. Let's see the execution log. Let's see any open Google Apps, create a new script, copy and paste, refresh your spreadsheet, use the new invoice system. Let's refresh this. I don't think anything happened. I pasted the code, but nothing seems to have happened. Let's see, save, refresh completely. You can close it. Paste this new code. Let's paste this new code just for the sake of testing. App script. Saving, running the code. Execution. Test successful. Okay, test was successful. Now let's revert here. Let's run. Let's run again. Okay. Test sheet. Okay. The test seems to be successful, so probably something is wrong with the script itself. Let's see. 7 minutes left. Let's break down the original script into smaller parts and test each part to ensure it is working correctly. Obviously, I could have done this manually, but we are not into manual work. So let's try again. 6 minutes left. Yeah, for probably too much for 15 minutes. Create basic sheets. Okay, create a sheet, invoices, logs, email templates, config. Nice, nice, nice logs. Okay. Okay, it generated the sheets, but the sheet seems empty. What's next? Okay. 6 minutes left. Pretty slow, wasting our time. Okay, let's see what it says. Copy the new code and paste the previous code in the app script. Save it. Refresh your spreadsheet. Click the invoice system menu. Select populate sheets. Let's see. Populate and format sheets. This is a function. Let's run. Spreadsheet is not a function. Got this error. Got this error. It's going to give us the corrected code. 4 minutes left. Let's see what else did it do. Logs, email templates. Okay, just created the spreadsheets. You can see here the invoices. This looks nice already. Okay. The main change in the data validation: replace your current code with the new, save it, refresh, populate sheets. You should also all sheets populated with headers. Okay, let's do like this. Save, run. Populate and format sheets. Got this error. Three minutes left. Let me remove the unnecessary data format constant. Here's the corrected code. We are wasting our time here. I probably should have validated this without just copying and pasting. Probably the issue is pretty straightforward, but yeah, I feel that I don't have much time, so I just going to brute force this. Let's paste. Let's run. Okay, execution completed. Nice. We have the logs. We have the email templates. Hallelujah. Subject line, initial invoice, email body, first reminder. Let's go over it. We don't have time to go over it, but this looks nice. Final reminder, first reminder, and initial invoice. We have the logs. We have the config, your company name, test sheet. 2 minutes left. Awesome. It seems like everything was created. Now what's next? Are we good to go? Or what are the next phases? Let's see. Let's implement the core email reminder functionality. Here's what we'll build in the next phase. Two minutes left. Let's see. Okay. This code has a complete email reminder functionality. Here's what you need to do. Replace your current code with the new version. Save it. Refresh your spreadsheet before using the system. Fill in the config sheet with your company name, sender email, payment instructions, adjust reminder days if needed. Test the system, adding a test invoice. Okay, let's copy this. Let's paste it here. Save. Can you spoon feed me for the data of the test? I don't want to think. I just need you to tell me exactly what to fill. Not to fill with ILL. I'll give you the exact text. Awesome. So let's fill the config sheet. Go to the config sheet. ABC test company. Sender email YB. Let's say Yaron Been at gmail.com. Payment instructions. Initial reminder. Account name. Okay, this is irrelevant. Okay. Time is up. We didn't make it, but let's keep on working on this. Company name, company test. Now go to the invoices sheet. I'll give you 2 test invoices to enter. Let's do like this. Invoices. Okay, invoice number. Okay, customer email YB. Let's do like this and this. Invoice name YB1, YB2. Invoice amount. Let's fill out what is the format. Invoice date. What is the date format we need? Payment status, as you can see, we have this. Last reminder date, leave blank, reminder count, test invoice. Notes, test 1, test 2. Let's see what is the format. Today's date. This is the format. Okay, I think we are good to go. Let's go back to the app script. Okay, I have added the data for the test. Now what do I need to do in order to actually test? Before running the test, verify these important things. Your email is correctly entered. The dates are properly showing the invoices sheet. The payment status checkbox are unchecked. Click on the invoice system menu on the top. Click send reminders. Click on the invoice system menu at the top. Click send reminders. Let's see. No idea what he's talking about. Let's see. Invoice system at the top. Let's see on open. Where exactly is the invoice system? What you mentioned regarding the test run. Is it in the spreadsheet or do I access it via the app script? Write a long standard menu like file. Okay, I didn't even know about this functionality. Let's come here. Ah, amazing. Wow, this is amazing. Check this out. I didn't know about this optionality. Let's approve this. Setup invoice tracking system detail. Script function not found. Got this. Let's paste it here. I couldn't find what you told me about. Only had the spreadsheet. The what setup here? What did we have here? We had setup spreadsheet. Let's see. Let me combine all the code into one complete file so that all functions are present and correctly named. We have been going on for 20 minutes already. Let's see. By the way, if you find this boring, so let me know. For me, it's pretty exciting and I think it could be useful. I'm building these types of automations for myself and for clients anyway, so I'm saying, why not just share them while I build them live? Obviously, when I build something, for production level, I take my time planning more, testing everything, but this is a cool way to kind of build MVPs or proof of concepts and also learn different tools and different optionalities available. Let's copy this and paste it here. Let's save. Let's go to the spreadsheet. Let's see. Send reminders. Running script. Finish script. Let's see the logs. Logs were not updated. Config test. Test sheet. Let's see. Okay, I had the option to send the reminders. The execution seemed to be complete, but the logs were not updated. Let's go back here. See if it updated. Reminder. No, nothing. Config, test sheet. Okay. Let's go back to Claude. Let's see what it says. I see the issue. Let me combine all the code. Okay. Let's check a few things and then add some debugging. First, verify that your config sheet has all the required fields. Sender email. Is the company name filled in? Are the reminder days set? Initial reminder day 3, follow-up interval 7. Config. Okay, this is fine. Last run date. Last time the reminder was sent. Okay, so this is fine. Add this code to your existing script. Save and refresh your spreadsheet. Click Invoice System menu. Debug reminders. Go to View, Logs. Okay. Let's add this here. Let's go to the bottom. Saved. Come here. We need to refresh this and debug reminders. Running script. Finish script. Okay. When you okay, go to save and refresh your spreadsheet. Let's see if we need to first send reminders. Sending the reminders. Debug reminders. I don't think it's doing anything. Email templates. Okay, go to view. What did? Okay, I can keep messing around with this, but I don't really want to. because I got to go in 5 minutes. I was hoping that I will finish this within 15 minutes. I'm not sure whether or not I should rebuild this or record another video with me finalizing this automation. Let me know in the comment section what did you think about this video. It was just a quick testing of building an automation. I actually enjoy this automating the new series that I invented, but I think I might switch to 30 minutes per automation. I think it makes more sense, or building even more simple automations. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, comment below with your thoughts, and until next time, keep on automating.